your brand also here. Tell me which car is a quality car. I expect all of you to answer.
You say all of it is a quality car.
Okay. Okay. Krishna Prasad, I received your answer. How about others?
Speed.
All are
Okay.
quality cars.
Ravi,
There is
Ravi,
a
Ravi,
value for
The
them.
one, the
Price
one
of them.
give you comfort
Okay,
and
Pramod
then
also
comfort
says.
at the same time. Yeah.
I would say Maruti.
Oh, Maruti Desire.
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Good. Some of you don't want to answer this question.
All
Yeah.
is quality cars, sir.
Come again. Come again.
All are quality cars.
Wow. All are quality cars. So,
All are quality cars, sir.
right.
It depends on the customer requirements also.
Beautiful. So, quality should be looked at from the perspective of the customer. What customer wants, you deliver. There is an effectiveness, then quality happens. Quality bonds when there is effectiveness. If you add the efficiency component, then business bonds. Right? I want to know what is called the BMW. I want BMW in 10 lakhs. If I offer BMW for 10 lakhs, then it is then quality bonds. But what will happen to my business? My business will die. Am I right? So
Yeah.
we need to balance these things. So the way to look at quality is what your customer wants. Price is also one of the expectation. Hope all of you agree with me.
Yes.
A customer expecting to buy a car for 10 lakhs. Now BMW will not be able to meet the requirement. How can? Yes.
Sir, if we consider, like, as a customer's point of view, if we consider safety, so these three Indian cars doesn't cross the barrier of the safety. Only Quid has the star one, has 1 star. Desire and i20s doesn't have any stars in safety ranking.
Yeah, safety aspect, the requirement is spoken to a certain extent and unspoken to a great extent. Can I say like that? Customers, for certain customer, having a headlight may be a safety feature.
It's a safety.
So I can drive safely in dark because the car has got a headlight. For some customers, seat belt may be a safety feature. Even if
I'm talking about NCAP, Global Safety Testing.
Yeah.
And
Actually,
that testing.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir. Sorry for interrupting.
No problem. You tell your question, please. Yes,
No,
sir.
I was just trying to answer to what he was saying. So, NCAP is not the only standard which determines a car's safety. There are many other standards as well. In different countries, we just believe what is popular. So, again, a perspective of looking at it is required. So that's what my opinion was. Sorry for interrupting.
Good. You're very correct. Very valid point. See, customer can have 100 requirement. For example, I want BMW in 10 lakhs. That is one requirement. Will you give top priority and do you think BMW will listen to me and give top priority and make cars for 10 lakhs? So though customer has 100 requirement, it is very important. How do you prioritize? Very important. How do you prioritize? You are going to learn a tool called Kano model that will help you to prioritize the customer requirement very effectively. After prioritization, I know the top 10. I know the top 20. I know the top 30. As many as possible in the list, I will try to fulfill to make my car a quality one to a particular segment of the customer. Right? So whichever company is doing better, probably the customer will go to that company and then purchase the product. Some of you could have purchased BMW because the prioritized requirements are different. For you, buying a BMW, cost may not be in your first list. The safety and then the brand image are your priority. Am I right? So you will go for the BMW. Similarly, somebody might prefer Tata Nano. What is their prime requirement? Can somebody tell me if someone buys the Tata Nano?
Cost.
So what gets priority speaks your quality best. But the direct answer to the question asked in the slide is all the cars can be quality cars. Why? Because The segment of customers are different. As long as the segment of customers or the customer segment's requirements are fulfilled by the particular car, it will remain in the market. The moment the requirements are not met by your customer, maybe one particular, maybe a single requirement not met by your product, but that is in the top priority, then definitely your product, will very soon will exit from the market. So understanding the requirement is important. Prioritizing the requirement is much more important. Otherwise, you will spend your energy in the wrong direction, wrong place. So all the cars can be quality cars.
Voice of customer depends on the quality.
Quality depends on voice of customer.
Okay.
It's the other way. Right. So simply stated, quality comes from meeting customer expectation. Spoken, unspoken, both. Right? This occurs as a result of 4 activities. Understand your customer requirement. Design products and services that satisfy those requirements. For example, all of you are here in the Black Belt program. We understand your requirement. We design a program in such a way that your requirements are completely fulfilled. All of you will be more happier, I believe, right? And then I develop processes that are capable of producing goods and services. So, for example, we designed the product program, but how do we offer the program? While offering, not every session will be conducted by a same person. So there are different people who are going to come and talk. So how do we still ensure quality? So I need processes. Anybody who comes, the timeline, guidelines are there, number of slides are there, certain rules are there. Those processes will help achieve the desired level of quality in your offerings, right? This is called processes. This is called developing processes that are capable of delivering the required requirements in the products and services. And then people are required to control, manage the processes so that consistently you deliver the capability. You will see a lot of people are coordinating with you, Prabhakar, Amsapriya madam, many people are coordinating, right? All are important. Why? We need to manage and control the process so that the experience is same with every batch. The experience is great and you want the greatness to be consistent. For that, you need people to manage and control. So one way or the other way, all of you are responsible for the 4th item. What is 4th? Controlling and managing the processes to deliver consistent results. If you do these 4 activities properly, trust me, quality is taken care in your offerings. So Six Sigma is nothing but